Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to share an e-invoice PDF with your SQL Buyer using SQL accounting software. If you and your buyer are both SQL accounting software users, this feature simplifies the manual task of sending the e-invoice PDF after it is validated. Your buyer can self-download the e-invoice after completing the batch import to purchase invoice. Let's begin. First, select My Invoice and click on Submit e-invoice. Next, after the e-invoice is validated, click on the Share button and select Share PDF to SQL Buyer. Then, choose the appropriate report format and click OK. Once the sharing is complete, the system will display a confirmation message indicating that the invoice has been successfully shared with your SQL Buyer. You can also select My Invoice, click Refresh e-invoice status, and then share PDF to SQL Buyer if the e-invoice was submitted previously. And that's it. You've successfully shared the e-invoice PDF with your SQL Buyer. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.